Installation instructions for high-pressure fuel pump. 1. Precautions. 1. Please keep in mind the key points of installation and disassembly, and strictly follow the installation instructions. 2. Never hold the plunger on the high-pressure fuel pump spring. 3. Never open or loosen screw joint of the pump cover. 4. Do not engrave or remove any part of the high-pressure fuel pump. 5. Keep the pump away from fire and smoke. 2. Disassembly steps. 1. Disconnect the negative electrode wire of the battery. 2. Remove the fixing parts and release the fuel pressure. 3. Remove the fastening bolts of the high-pressure pipe and clean up the area around the high-pressure fuel pump. 4. Remove the union nut and disconnect the high-pressure pipe from the high-pressure fuel pump. 5. Unplug the fuel pressure regulator connector. Take down the fuel hose. Unscrew the fastening bolt and pull out the high-pressure fuel pump. 3. Installation steps. 1. Remove oil sediments and iron chips at the installation port. 2. Check the O-ring of the high-pressure fuel pump and soak it lightly with clean engine oil. Install the tappet into the vacuum pump. 3. Insert the high-pressure fuel pump into the vacuum pump while avoiding scratching the cylinder head. 4. Tighten the fastening bolts alternately according to the specified torque of 20 Nm. 5. Soak the ball joint of the high-pressure pipe with engine oil. Install the high-pressure pipe and tighten the nut. 6. Other installation steps can be completed in reverse order of disassembly. 7. After installation, keep the ignition system running for a few minutes so that the pump body is filled with gasoline and works in coordination with the automobile oil circuit control system. During this process, operation without oil for long is prohibited. The high-pressure fuel pump should not run at more than 3,000 rounds per minute immediately after installation. Ignition delay, insufficient pressure, and abnormal noise that may occur during running in are all normal phenomena. 8. Check if there is any oil or air leakage at each joint. Use the monitor computer to read whether the pressure value is within the normal operating range. After observation, the installation is complete.